Good evening to Madam and fellow friends. I am Nuriswari Gunalan. My matric number is 33DPE20F2003 and my group member is Hari Rafahim bin Muhammad Noor 33DPE20F2002 and Muhammad Daniel Firdaus bin Muhammad Razif 33DPE20F2001 and we are from DPE4A and our title for today is Cooling Mechanism. Have you ever noticed when you place a hot cup of coffee on a desk and leave it for a while, the cup turns from hot to lukewarm and 4 times it turns cold eventually? Have you ever wondered where did that heat go? Because the heat in the cup of coffee is replaced with room temperature where the mug and the desk temperature play a part that make the heat disappear. This principle is similar to the cooling system that ventilate the heat from the object or room temperature and take over with the cold. Apart from that, the cooling system sets stable temperature at desire. First thing I want to explain about the objective of the cooling system. First, it removes excess heat from the engine. Second one, it maintains the engine operating temperature where it works more efficiently to reduce and maintain temperature at certain degrees. And finally, it brings the engine up to the right operating temperature as quickly as possible.
Saya Hari Rafain bin Muhammad Noor. Saya akan terangkan purpose statement di dalam problem iaitu scale. First, kita akan menggunakan controlling the cycles. The cycles are best controlled by installing a high quality system for automatic blowdown, the intentional removal of water from the cooling water based on the cooling water conductivity or meter makeup. So kita akan menggunakan kualiti yang tertinggi iaitu kita akan menggunakan sistem blowdown, iaitu kita akan keluarkan air daripada cooling water dengan menggunakan cooling water conductivity atau meter makeup. Yang kedua, kita akan menggunakan chemical scale inhibitor. Function dia ialah either through selective adsorption on growing scale crystals in which the crystal structure is converted into a that does not form a hard scale, or through chemical reaction with the scale forming ion in which the ion are converted into non-scale forming material. So kita akan menggunakan scale inhibitor ni untuk kita akan menyerap scale crystal, iaitu di pipeline kita akan nampak scale crystal itu yang berwarna putih itu iaitu berbentuk kristal. So kita akan convertkan kepada hard scale. So dalam chemical reaction iaitu scale crystal bersifat ion dan kita akan convert kepada non-scale forming material. So next. So yang ketiga, kita akan adjusting the pH with acid additional convert the scale forming material to more soluble form. For example, adding sulfuric acid convert calcium carbonate to calcium sulfate, a material 7 times more soluble. However, adding excess acid to the cooling water result in display values and assembly rapid corrosion of all system metal. For this reason, it's not usually able to add enough to cover of the scale forming metal. So dia akan berubah pH lah. Kita akan mengelakkan atau mengurangkan corrosion di dalam sistem metals daripada adding sulfuric convert to calcium carbonate to calcium sulfate. Okay, so next. So purpose statement for corrosion. Tadi scale, yang ni corrosion. So first kita akan gunakan corrosion inhibitor. Corrosion inhibitor used to stop rusting and anodic corrosion of metal. This is generally done via the coating of the metal surface with a chromate layer. So dia akan daripada stop rusting and anode akan metal yang dekat anode tu akan berlaku corrosion lah. So yang kedua, frequent use corrosion inhibitor, kita akan menggunakan di dalam kita akan menggunakan bahan polyphosphate, chromate, staining, lignin and starch, iaitu more frequent. Yang ketiga ialah less frequent use corrosion inhibitor, iaitu nitrates, silicate and amines. So yang bawah tu tak nampak. Okay, so next. So Iaitu last kali purpose statement from microbiology. First, kita akan menggunakan slime control agent. Kita akan menggunakan chemical seperti chlorine, phenolic and ammonia compound to keep slime and algae from getting into bigger messes. So kita akan menggunakan chlorine, phenolonic dan ammonium to keep slime dan untuk mengelakkan daripada berlakunya algae atau slime macam tu. So yang kedua ialah kita menggunakan mechanical cleaning. So ini is the best way to get rid of the accumulated growth. So yang ini gambar mechanical cleaning. So effect to environment. So the ability of organism to survive after being returned to the water body may be affected by the direct impact of drawing organism into the intake, dropping some of them on the screen and sending some of through the pump and condenser in the closed system organism delivered into the intake destroyed because the water is not literally a natural water body. So kita takut sama ada yang apa-apa yang keluar daripada proses itu salur ke laut atau laut lah, dia akan air itu tidak setulin dengan air yang biasa, takut tidak ngam. So dia akan boleh mengganggu ekosistem di dalam laut itu sendiri. So they increase hazard substance bioaccumulation. So dia akan seperti adanya berlaku macam toksik, macam berlakunya macam ada toksik yang boleh bawa impact kepada ekosistem, dan boleh ikan tu sakit lah. So lepas tu dia jadi impact kalau manusia tu makan makanan tu, dia boleh efek kepada manusia juga. So tak boleh. So last, with rising temperature, the growth on algae organism like some type of algae may be accelerated. So efek dia akan boleh berlakunya algae di laut lah. Kalau tak benda ni tak bagus, nanti dia akan berlakunya sistem tu tak bagus sebab ada algae dan boleh menyebabkan naiknya temperature. So thank you.
Now I want to explain about solution for water treatment problems. The first one is filtration. Modern filtration technology is highly capable. It can be used to remove even extremely small particles from the water flow, less than 1 micron in size in some cases. Filters are generally not used in isolation, and other methods will be developed alongside this one. With the right approach to filtration, other components of the water treatment system will be protected from the damage caused by these contaminants. Second one is ion exchange. Ion exchange materials containing sodium ions can remove many of the substances that cause this scale to form, such as any calcium, magnesium or iron ions in the water. This leaves behind a sodium-based molecule that easily removed from the system. Third one is anti-corrosion treatment. Other chemical methods can be used to prevent corrosion of key components within the system and to extend its lifespan. In most cases, anti-corrosion chemical treatments involve the use of an alkaline substance to neutralize any acidic content within the water in order to prevent corrosion. Bicarbonates are often used for this purpose. The last one is antimicrobial treatment. Microbes and other biological contaminants can cause problems when they begin to build up in cooling tower water. Biocide and algicide chemicals can be used to prevent this growth and to work proactively against possible future contamination. Examples include bromine-based treatments.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Daniel Firdaus bin Muhammad Razif. My matrix number is 33, DPE4A 2001. Today I would like to present about sustainable environment. Sustainable environment, the United Nations define it simply as meeting the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. So basically, environment sustainability is the practice of interacting with the planet responsibly. We do it to avoid depleting natural resource and compromising the future generations' ability to meet their daily needs. So why is it important? It is important because it is to protect our ecosystem and preserve natural resource for future generation. We can take small but effective steps toward a more sustainable lifestyle, like using less water and reducing our food and crops consumption. So what are the example of the development of sustainable environment? There are three here in the slide. Renewable energies like solar energies, wind energies, green space like eco park, reducing packaging like less consumption of plastic use, box or whatever involved in packaging. Now I'm gonna talk about green technology. So green technology is an umbrella term that describes the use of technology and science to reduce human impacts on the natural environment. Green technology also encompasses a wide area of scientific research, including energy, atmospheric science, agriculture, material science, and hydrology. Green technology also one of the society's development for achieving sustainable environment. The diagram on the right shows us the example of green technology, which is renewable energy, solar energy from the sun, geothermal energy from heat inside the earth, wind energy from the wind, biomass from plants, hydropower from flowing water. That's it from our group. Thank you. See you soon.